welcome to another episode. It's your boy Muhammad Al Safar, back with another video. Today we got a very exciting video for you guys. I'm gonna take you on a tour and show you my new and updated Hypebeast room, and I think you guys will really enjoy this. But before we get that done, I got an unboxing to do. Let's go right into it and get out of the trunk. As you can tell right off the bat, it is a pretty big package. Check it out right here, guys. So in this box is 3 different biddings that I've done, and I've won, of course, because they're in here. I'm gonna take it inside and show you guys what we have. So let's go. So guys, usually we do our unboxings on this desk, but today we got a pretty big box. We're gonna do it on the floor. We got it.
Got it.
All right. I'm gonna be very careful because it's actually took them a week to pack this thing. So I paid overnight shipping with Christie's auctions. They give you the option to either pick it up at their Christie's location where they were holding it. In this case, this was in New York. Or they send it out to you, and they would hold it, I think, for up to like 30 to 40 days for free from the time you buy it, so you can go and pick it up. There we go. So this is the way it's supposed to be. I'm pretty excited. Wow. Check out the packaging, guys. These guys went all in with the packaging. Wonder what this is. So I've bought a few decks. So these are the 3 items. I believe the rest is packaging. With Christie's, they basically did an auction for a bunch of Supreme items, including items from day 1 of Supreme till today. So like they had good vintage stuff, they had all sorts of cool stuff, and I did bid on probably 15 to 20 items. I wanted 3. Just a pretty challenging battle just to go head to head against people. I think there were actually people live and people online, which I was online bidding from over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap these in order from smaller to bigger. This has nothing to do with the value, it's just the way I'm gonna do it for fun. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know what type of auction that was. It was a Supreme auction, so a lot of rare items, and these kind of items you don't want to buy them off of like online shops like StockX and stuff like that, just because they might not be authentic. These are really old. The only way you'd ever know if it's authentic or not, if you actually had the same item with you to actually compare it with. These are really old items over here. I'm going to explain them one by one. We got, I think you guys can tell already, there's some magazines. Now, one of them I already have. It's just because this is the way the bundle came in. I had to double up or actually triple up on one thing, so I might do a giveaway or trade it for something else. So here we have some vintage Supreme magazines in DS condition. Amazing magazines. So what's cool about these magazines, you can see all the previous collections. They also come with some free stickers as well. Check this out here. Remember these days, the boxing gloves? That's what we're all crazy about, the stickers. Thing out over there. But yeah, here we have another old magazine. This is from 2006, I believe. So it's pretty old. Let's see what's in it. I'm trying to find the stickers. Oh, there we go. Another thing I have to blur out. Sorry guys, the magazines are pretty overrated here. This I already have, so that's pretty cool. I might actually use the stickers as the Mickey stickers. Another one right here. Stickers are at, yeah, there they are. So cool. These stickers are amazing. Wow. So there's a lot of Supreme sticker collectors. So a lot of people wonder where do these stickers come from. They actually come from the magazines. So they're not only store given, some are like found in magazines. Another one over here. This one's from 2005, I believe. Okay. There we go. More stickers. Another magazine. This one's from 2010. Pretty cool decks. Yep, we got stickers on here too. Very cool. Very cool. I doubt I'm gonna ever remove these stickers. Maybe on the ones that I have doubles, I might do that, but not for these. Item number 2. So you can tell there is 2 in here, and there is 3 in here. Let's go ahead and do this as, especially on this one. This is an item from 2001, almost 20 years old. When I saw it, and you're gonna see what this is right now, I had to jump right on it just because they've been releasing a lot of items with this same print. So I think let's go ahead and do it. So unfortunately, one of them is not in its shrink wrap just because it's 2001. It's fine, but kind of part of it is.
Wow.
It is a 2001 bandana deck. Now, the condition on this did say 1.5 out of, I think it's 5, so it's pretty good. 1 being 100% dead stock, 1.5 is in the middle. So, seeing this is something from 2001 in this condition, check it out, guys. It is pretty clean for 20 years old. So what I would do, I would keep this in my collection. If I do find another in a better in a better stage, or like in a better what's it called?
Condition?
In a better condition, I would just trade this, sell it, and just replace it and add it to my collection. So yeah, this is the first one, and came with a second one in this set, which is this red one right here. This is in its actual shrink wrap from 2001. So this one is probably a 10 out of 10. So this is condition 1 in an auction grading. Perfect condition. Wow.
So nice, dude. I love the red.
Yeah, by far the nicest. Check it out, fam. This is it. It's lit. Shows you the lot number that I won and all that good stuff. There's something stuck on here, but I really don't want to take it off. I have no idea what it is. I don't want to damage the shrink wrap since 2001. So yeah, very cool item. I'm gonna be very careful placing it here. You've seen all the box logos with Supreme.
Yeah, exactly.
The prints they're doing.
Come back, man.
Travis Scott and his SBs, you know? So this print is coming back and I jumped right on it. If you guys were wondering, I bid around, I think it was 1,500 for the 2. I think that's about the same price you'd find them in store or something like that. These, slightly thicker. It's a set of 3 decks released in 2014. I've been wanting to get them, but I always found them not together, and I didn't want to buy one without the other just because most people sell them, I think, in sets, and I don't want to have a set of this. And this was a grade 1 condition, which means they're all in dead stock. The brand new. Grade 1 is the best condition you can get in an auction. These are the Supreme Hero decks that released in 2014. But yeah, correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, this is one of them. It's the red and white side. And like they mentioned, it is a grade 1. So it has everything in it, including the stickers, the tags, the original shrink wrap. You can see this. And this is the second one. It's the red and green colorway. Very cool. If you guys have any idea how to display, the best way to display these, like, I would actually like to keep the shrink wrap. So if there is a way to have them on the wall with the shrink wrap, please let me know, guys. I'd really appreciate it. And I'm sure you guys, hey, this one did not come in its shrink wrap, grade 1, so I'm not sure why it didn't come with its wrap instead. Check it out, very cool. Like I said, if I find a better condition, which I probably want to look for one with a shrink wrap, I'll probably replace it and trade this one, or maybe keep this one, I'm not sure.